Okay, good day everyone. In this episode, we'll be talking about roots of equations. Now, under the roots of equations, we'll be talking about SOR and POR. Now, this is under quadratic. This is still under quadratic equations. All right, very good. Now, what does SOR means and what does POR means? SOR means sum of roots and products of roots. All right. So now, from the previous episode of video that we made on that was done on quadratic equation, we have this formula ax² plus bx plus c equals to 0, and relating this to sum of root and product of roots, we have this to be we have it to be x² minus alpha plus beta x. Okay, are we together? Beta x plus then alpha beta equals to 0. Now, alpha plus beta minus alpha plus beta is our b over a. I get it now with the negative sign. Then alpha beta, which is the product, is our c over our a. Alpha is our x1, then beta is our x2. Now, from the previous episode, let's take a look at one question which we are going to try to solve. Let's take a look at this question number 4. Question number 4, which says x² plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Now, when we used our calculator, our x1 is minus 2 and our x2 is minus 3. Now, most times questions come in this form: find the equation with the roots x equals to minus 2 and minus 3. Now, this is trying to tell us that we should derive the equation that has this and this as their root. So meaning that alpha is minus 2 and beta is minus 3. Now, for us to solve this and get this our roots back, meaning for us to get this our question back. Now, for us to get this our question back, from here, now what we need to do is to minus alpha plus beta equals to minus b over a. Now, which means we don't know our b, we don't know our a. Now, this simply means alpha is minus 2, beta is minus 3. So minus alpha plus beta is equals to minus 2 plus minus 3. Now, this is going to give us minus 2 minus 3, which is minus 5, equivalent to plus 5. Are you getting it now? So our sum of products here now. So therefore, our sum of products is plus 5. So now let's now do our products. Sum of Thank you. Sum of roots, not sum of products. Sum of roots is -2 times -3, which is +6. So this is our product of roots. Now let's not chip in this in our equation. Now the formula is x², right? X², this is the formula, x² minus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta equals to 0. So we want to get our equation. Now our equation for x equals to -2 and x equals to -3 is x². You know, this is, sorry, there's the x here. So this is going to be, everything here gave us +5, then our x plus, what is our x? Our alpha beta is +6 equals to 0. Now can you see that this answer now is equivalent to this one which was given in the previous question we did here? Can you see? Now we've already gotten this question back using this and using this. So you can literally solve for some other questions like, let's take a look at another example. Let's say we have 2x² minus 5x plus 3. Now root of equation. For us to get our x1 and our x2, you use calculator, right? Okay, now let's just assume we don't know our question, so let's just use our calculator. 2 minus 5 plus 3. Okay, our x1 is 3/2 and our x2 is 1. Now we want to form this question back. We want these two answers to give us this question back. So this is our alpha, this is our beta. Sum of products and a sum of roots and products of roots. So don't forget, this is the formula: x² minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta 0, okay, equals to 0. So from here, this is our roots. Now these are our value. So our alpha is 3/2, so minus 3/2 plus 1. So here we'll be having fraction 3/2. This one is over 1, so this is 2 here, 2 here, there's 3 plus 2 here plus 2. So here we have -5/2. Yeah, so for the next one we have alpha beta. Alpha beta is 3/2 times 1, so that is 3/2, right? So meaning that our x² minus sum x plus product equals to 0. This is what should form our equation. So now let's represent it. X² minus, what did this one give us? 5/2x plus 3/2 equals to 0. Now when you want to do this will literally give us, multiply both sides by 2 by the denominator. So if you multiply both sides, you're having 2x² minus 2 times 5x/2 plus 3/2 times 2 equals to 0 times 2. So here we'll be having 2x² minus this cancel this 5x plus this cancel this 3 equals to 0. Can you see that this has literally taken us back to our question here? Can you see now? So that is how to find equations when your root is only given. When your root is given, this is how to find or look for equation. This is example 2 here. So it is just as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less. Do well to subscribe to this channel. Try as much as possible to like, share to this video, make your comments, and solve as many questions that are in the description button below.